Right here, I'm right in the UTV, is some curbside pickup. Those will work. Hey everybody, it's Sharon here. It is Sunday, July 4th, so happy 4th to everybody. Hope you're having a safe and happy holiday weekend. So I'm out here this morning because the blackberries are just starting to ripen, so I'm going to try and catch a few of them and make some cobbler or something out of them, something good. And while I'm out here, I'm going to see if I can capture as many colors of the color spectrum as possible. It's a great time of the year. There's lots of weeds, which to me they're like flowers, you know. It's also going to be chanterelle season, like right around the corner. I bet if we get heavy rain, they'll be popping right out. So I'm going to just scout and take a look and see if they're even starting yet. But like I said, they should be pretty soon. So it's beautiful out here. The birds are with me, the bullfrogs. So come on along. I'll take the GoPro with me and take some video of going through the woods. So I'm headed to an area that I cut all the time with the mower, and it's next to that old rice pond and his duck pond experiment. And so I wanted to go there first, except all of a sudden, out of the corner of my eye, I see this purple thing that I've never seen before. So I stop, pull the buggy over, and to my surprise, we have purple passion vines growing. I have never seen them before. I've cut that area probably 4 years now. They are gorgeous. And I guess I'm not the only one that loves them, because just in the time that I was there were butterflies, and then there was even the bees. So lots of pollination going on, which is good. Now, I have never eaten any of the fruit, but they already have some fruit on them. So if anybody's ever eaten them before, let me know. I'm kind of curious about them. All right, now back to the blackberries. Oh, look at all these right in front of me. Nice drive-up service. There are so many poisonous, well, okay, not poisonous, but nasty nettle and other weeds that grow. So I really got to be careful out here. So today I did not bring the good camera, but there's a red-tailed hawk screeching away up there. And there's two other birds up there too. I can't zoom in too much farther, it's going to get all blurry. Oh, I got all excited. I saw this yellow gold thing over here. Yeah, it's just a fungus on the leaf. This is the area though that it's like a chanterelle honey hole. I'm not seeing anything right now. Let me get a little bit closer. Nope, it's pretty dry down here, and this is usually wet where they are growing. So I bet though, because it's been so darn hot, I bet once we get a heavy rain, they're gonna pop out. So I'll be back.